Lenz's law is a fundamental principle in electromagnetism that tells us the direction of induced current. When a magnetic field changes near a conductor, it induces a current. But which way does that current flow? That's exactly what Lenz's law helps us determine. Lenz's law states that the direction of induced current is such that it opposes the change in magnetic flux that produced it. In simpler terms, nature doesn't like change. When you try to change the magnetic field through a coil, the induced current creates its own magnetic field that fights against that chain. Mathematically, Lenz's law is expressed through Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. The induced electromotive force equals negative d phi by dt, where phi is the magnetic flux and t is time. The crucial part here is the negative sign. This negative sign is the mathematical representation of Lenz's law, showing that the induced effect opposes the change causing it. The key principle behind Lenz's law is simple yet powerful. The induced current creates its own magnetic field to resist the original change. Think of it like this: nature opposes change in magnetic flux. It's similar to inertia in mechanics, where objects resist changes in their motion. Here, electromagnetic systems resist changes in their magnetic environment. There are two main scenarios we encounter. First, when magnetic flux is increasing through a coil, the induced current flows in such a direction that its magnetic field opposes this increase. Second, when magnetic flux is decreasing, the induced current flows to oppose the decrease, essentially trying to maintain the original flux. In both cases, the induced current acts as a resistor to change. To find the direction of induced current, follow these 3 steps. First, identify whether the magnetic flux is increasing or decreasing. Second, determine what direction the induced magnetic field must have to oppose this change. Third, apply the right-hand rule to find which way the current must flow to create that opposing magnetic field. With practice, this becomes second nature. Lenz's law is deeply connected to the conservation of energy. The opposition to change ensures that energy is conserved in electromagnetic induction. If the induced current aided the change instead of opposing it, we would have a runaway effect, creating energy from nothing. That would give us perpetual motion, which violates the fundamental laws of physics. Lenz's law prevents this impossibility. Lenz's law has numerous practical applications in our daily lives. Electric generators use it to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy. Eddy current brakes in trains use the opposing force from induced currents to slow down safely. Metal detectors rely on changes in induced currents when metal objects are nearby. Even induction cooktops use this principle to heat pots and pans efficiently. Understanding Lenz's law opens the door to understanding how these technologies work.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.